When I was a little boy in Barbados, and we had these pictures twice a week. But on the film, it would run for a little while, and all of a sudden it came to the end. You heard the tape over and over and over, up to go the lights. Then you would have to rewind it, put on another tape, and then you run another one. So they ran 5 or 6 reels of these things, whatever they were. Twice a week, I paid a butcher of my father his 6 cents to go into the pit. The pit was what we called the orchestra. And we sat about in what would be, say, the balcony. That was 36 cents, and the pit was 6 cents. And I would pay him 6 cents to laugh at the wrong time. When everybody was about to cry, he had to laugh. If he didn't laugh, he wouldn't get my 6 cents. But he never failed. But every time he did it, then would come the manager with his little light, take him out, and he never saw a whole picture. Not in his life. But twice a week we had fun. All of a sudden the girl is tied to the tracks and the train is coming through and they're all screaming, and all of a sudden his name was Mashma. He had feet like that. No shoe could fit him. So we called him Mashma, meaning he could mash things. And Mashma would sit there and then exactly where he was. Sometimes he would get lost in the thing himself, so he couldn't laugh too early. But sometimes he was carried away and he laughed early, when it was a tearjerker. That night he missed it completely. But I was given that way, to just make fun of this entire thing that seems so serious to the whole vast world. And week after week, well, I had my fun, he had his, and the others enjoyed my 6 cents because they too were shocked as he was pulled out and taken out.